Here's problem 4.5 without using Excel, with using the z-score formula, which is this: z is equal to whatever your x value is minus your mean over sigma. In this problem, we're looking at GRE scores where the average score is 151 and the standard deviation is 7. We are looking for the 30th percentile here because this student did worse than 70% of their peers. So we actually have to look up the z-score that goes with the 30th percentile. So let's look that up together. I'm going to look on here. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. So look at this. This is about 30.85%. That's 30.5%. This is 30.15%, and this is 29.81%. So there is no 30th percentile listed on this table, but it is somewhere in between these two. And what we do is we take the z-score that's the average of the two z-scores here. So the z-score that goes with 30.15 is, let me write it down here at the bottom, negative 0.5. Let's look down at the top. We've got 2. And then the other z-score that goes with this one is negative 0.53. Like I said before, neither of these is perfectly 30 or exactly 30, so we'll take the one right in the middle. So we'll average these two and we'll get negative 0.525. We're going to use this z-score when doing this z-score formula. So here it is. Negative 5.25. I plug that in to this equation for my z-score. Now what I'm going to have to do is solve for x. I multiply both sides by 7, so maybe I'll write times 7 over here. These ones cancel. 7 times that, and then I get 3.675. I have to add 151 to both sides, so I do that, and I get x is equal to 147.325. So the student who had the GRE score of 147 did better than 30% of their peers or worse than 70% of their peers. Alright, let me show all of it all at the same time. Let me zoom out a little bit. Zoom out. Maybe I won't show it all at the same time. Maybe I can't zoom out. Alright, I can't zoom out. Alright. If you have any questions or comments, post them in the forum. Thanks.